Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World.
Congratulations on my music video. That's somewhere on. Yes, our first single for that. Get him in that boy. Just. Not game. Not game. Natatawa sila.
Actually, when I first heard the songs or radio, it's like, oh, bagong foreign artist. Pagkakita ko ng MTV sa mix, sabi ko, wow, like, excited na lang.
So parang tumibok ba ang twins?
Ay naman! Sinasabi ko.
Ay, bata man si Tayan siya kay Kali.
Take it out. Take it already. Saan pa lang ko siya kasama?
Yes. Will you begin Just I love it.
Pwede naman sa amin yun. Naligan kayo. Usually kasi,
Dali lang. Kamusta na yung relationship?
super good talaga. Sino mas maraming babae sa inyo dalawa?
Siyempre to!
Ay,
Oh, I can tell na.
Kami hindi. Oo, hindi ako magpati sa inyo. Hindi ako naniniwala. Kaya yung gagawin na. Hindi ako maraming lalaki. Story kasi yung
lima to. She made this few latest. Yeah.
What?
Una na lang ako pa. Go!
Ilong na ba itong babae?
From here from the studio, hindi naman. Pinugulo talaga siya.
No, but she was older than me. She was 25. And sabi niya, ready for the kid. And then, yeah, she parang we were talking for a week and then she left me like, oh, you're not there. Parang,
So, na-hurt ka?
I really heard,
Wala kami.
Ano mo,
Wala lang, ginawa naman ng kanta.
Fairness masarap pala yung body ko.
After wala kanta. Tapos parang laboring ako, so ginawa naman single. And going up sa kids, gusto na mga bata yun. So, also the radio station, gusto na the video. Parang something positive came out of that. Yeah.
Now that she's using one of TV and see exactly.
So then after that, no.
Sweet revenge.
No, and you could have, what's up?
Hindi ka pinatulan. Oo naman. Now na.
But now so now it's okay.
Everything's cool.
Sino influence mo sa music?
A lot. Romaine, Chris Brown,
No way. I have a question. You have this accent.
yes. O parang wala ka Ilonggo accent.
Oh,
Mas may Ilonggo accent pa ako than you. Actually,
Oh, that's why.
British accent.
English na.
How about you?
Ako taga-dyan lang ako sa...
Ilonggo ka rin?
Hindi po, Manila lang.
How about you? You speak
taga-dyan lang ako sa Cavite.
English?
Konti lang.
Speak English for 5 minutes a week.
Yeah, tapos expired na.
Expired na. May ano daw yun, mayroong timer. Chos.
Ikaw may girlfriend ka ba?
Ay!
Ilan?
Isa lang. Isa lang.
Per location.
Alam mo, pwede kang maging girlfriend sa studio.
Ha?
Oo. Ay!
Yeah, mamaya tayo na.
Bago na.
Pwede.
Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Eh, siya kayo na siya mapupunta. Sa'yo.
Joke lang.
Before I went here, I was watching one of the movies.
What movie?
Sex babe.
No.
What?
Kalimutan mo.
Oo.
That's how
ginawa niya?
Madre ba?
Mabait ka daw doon.
Wait mo ko.
Ay, wala doon, no? Wala.
Sabi ko,
Ako rin burn sa iba.
sabi ko sa kanya,
Oh, this is so cheesy. This is so queso. Grabe.
Sabi mo, she's hot, hindi she's cute.
Okay na yan. Sige, dahil po dyan, kakagawa si Miss Mami. Alis na po siya.
Ako na nagkamta si Maui.
Anong song? Anong title na gagawin mo sa
Sweet,
Mami?
sweet love.
Cheesy. Kumikimchu. Oh, go. Ano song? Ano title ng
Anong
song?
song dyan? Nalilinig ko na
Oh, ayan. Sige.
okay, when you get home,
I have your CD.
yeah, listen to Can't Get It Out.
Yeah.
Oh!
By
Jacob
something from Toronto.
Can't get enough.
Teka na ng what?
Of him. Yeah, I know when I saw your ass. Damn, that guy's hot.
Bongga, inupisan mo ito, kala mo, nagkakasan ka.
Don't start something you cannot finish.
Correct.
Finish it.
Oh! Finish it!
Yeah, what's the number?
Correct. Nood kami.
Iba naman ang iniisip ko
May video.
eh.
May video. Oh, kahit yung
Iba
mga
naman ang
natin.
iniisip ko. Ano ka ba? Hindi yun.
What's up naman ako?
Since when?
Huwag ka na umar kasi mas sa akin ang punta yan.
So we're gonna catch you, no?
Yeah, and
Okay, sa Mix More Event, November 26, and World Bazaar Festival at World Trade Center, December 6, Tapos we have some more shows coming up next year, and also we have a concert in February. Invite kayo guys, it's gonna be like a big hip-hop event in Philly, and JR. Yun. And please get my album. This Young J. Young JB, ready or not, under Police TMI. So please support it. Actually, yung the benefits of the album, when you buy my album, may naka-foundation for kids. Yung mga anak ng mga sundalo. So when you buy my album, you have to get close to it. So please guys, support it.
Kaya ako pala yung album.
So yung pala yung album na binigay, hindi pa nalibre. Kailangan pa na Kuya pa po ay mag ko.
Actually,
Tingnan ko rin si Pesos.
for Maui.
Oh, tayo pa niya. Tayo kami may bayad. Visit ako.
Sorry.
Damay na tayo.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Dan.
We're gonna be back tomorrow.
At dahil dyan
Oh,
naman.
and you're singing Can't, what?
Yeah.
Are you singing that tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dapat nandun ko sa tabi niya.
Yeah, you know what? I'll do that tomorrow.
Now, next question, dapat sa inyo galing. Anong ihahang mong question?
Hindi mo ba siyang katiwari?
Pero ako maisip kayo mag-hang.
Hindi ka marunong.
Hindi! Ang ginagis sa aking question.
Hang ka, the show is authority. Go.
Yeah.
Sige, kung bibigyan ka ng chance ni Maui, anong unang-unang mong gagawin?
Wow!
Kung saan mo siya dadalhin? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow
siya
is
lang.
with it. Ng bonggang-bongga. Okay?
Saan siya bibili?
Not for sale.
I think the main buyer. Saan siya dadalhin?
Yeah.
Tomorrow. sasagot.
Okay.
I'll get a thing to do.
Oh,
Ay,
ayos mo!
Wait. Paano siya excited? Wait. Bumas pa.
Siya gula. Yun ang pick-up eh. And then, Jerry, thank you so much. Ang huli here, up next ito yan sa pagpabalik ng Stop!
Stop!